If you're finding creating a capsule wardrobe quite challenging, in this video I'm going to be sharing my favorite tips to help you achieve that perfect wardrobe that really makes you feel empowered. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Vilma. In today's video, we are going to talk about capsule wardrobe and how you can start building your capsule wardrobe from scratch to help you achieve the best maximized wardrobe on your day-to-day. For many people, capsule wardrobes can mean 10 items in their wardrobe or maybe just 30. I feel like a capsule wardrobe is everything that you like to wear that is interchangeable, and it's built of pieces that you absolutely love. Now, if you are in your teens or in your mid-20s and you already know your style, then kudos to you. I remember at that time, it was super difficult for me to know exactly what to wear because I used to mix and match everything from patterns to colors with neutrals, and a lot of times I used to think to myself, what was I thinking when I created this particular outfit? Now that I found my personal style, I find that a capsule wardrobe is imperative in my lifestyle. I absolutely love it, and I feel like every single piece I have or I add to my wardrobe is pieces that I know I will be loving for a very, very long time. Now, a portion of this video has been kindly sponsored by Lily Silk, an online brand that sells the most amazing silk products, but I will be speaking a little bit more about them later in the video. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard the word capsule, or the two words together, capsule wardrobe, around, especially here on YouTube. And I feel as if a capsule wardrobe doesn't work for everybody. Some people just think about their wardrobe, all the pieces that they have in there that work for them. But a capsule wardrobe means, for me, a wardrobe that is complete with pieces that you absolutely love and that you wear all the time, and that they're also interchangeable with each other. And again, because I love capsule wardrobes, I don't tend to just buy per season. I love wearing my pieces the entire year. And that is the purpose of a capsule wardrobe for me, is pieces that I buy that are not only seasonal, I can wear them in different occasions, different ways. And I absolutely love this particular style of creating a wardrobe that you absolutely love. So to create a capsule wardrobe that works for you, tip number one would be finding your color palette. You really need to know the shades that work for you, the ones that you are drawn to. Some people like neutral, some people like color, some people like to mix neutrals with color and add some patterns in there. And some people like me, who don't like a lot of color, only tend to stick to neutrals. And there is no right or wrong, in my opinion. I feel like it's a personal choice. So if you prefer colors and patterns, that's absolutely okay. But I would definitely recommend that if you add patterns, that you also have a few basic tones in there so you can mix and match. So my next tip would be adding the basic layers of your wardrobe. These are the core pieces that you will need in your wardrobe, starting from a t-shirt, then going to a button-up shirt, a blazer, a pair of jeans, especially your favorite pair of jeans. These could be black, blue, white, what have you, a pair of trousers, and a dress or skirt. These are pieces that you can style around. I find myself in the morning just looking through my wardrobe and just taking one piece, and I already have an idea of what I want to layer that piece with. And that is the benefit of having a capsule wardrobe that really, really works for me. So tip number three is going to be finding the right fabrics. I'm very big on this because having the wrong fabric can really make or break an outfit, in my opinion, and the longevity of that piece in my wardrobe, because I love natural fibers. I prefer to buy anything that is breathable, that it's lightweight. So I prefer cotton, linen, wool, and silk. And this is where it brings me to talk a little bit more about Lily Silk. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, Lily Silk is an online store that sells silk products. Anything from bedding to loungewear to items that you're going to wear to go out, such as dresses, shirts, and blouses. I'm actually sitting here right now wearing one of my new in pieces from their collection. Now, what I love about silk is the benefits that you have wearing it. They're perfect for the body because they're very lightweight, very breathable. The benefits of sleeping, for example, with a pillowcase made of silk is that it's not going to snag your hair. Your hair is going to just glide on it, and your skin as well. It prevents wrinkles. So having silk in your life is fantastic for you. Now, Lily Silk uses mulberry silk, and it's the highest grade of silk, and all of their products are very soft and very, very lovely. Like, I absolutely love, I have an extensive collection from Lily Silk in my wardrobe already, and I absolutely love wearing their pieces the entire year. They make me feel put together, very feminine, and the feel of silk is absolutely luxe. So the first item that I've added to my wardrobe is this beautiful silk blouse. This one is called the SOS blouse with the brown stripes, but it also comes in navy stripes. It is of an oversized style, and their sizing on this one starts from extra small all the way to double extra large. Now, I decided to go for the large because I love oversized shirts. I just love the feel of them and the look. And as you guys can see in the cutaway, it is quite oversized, but I absolutely love how I styled it with a pair of white jeans and some brown tones to complement the stripes. I've mentioned so many times here on my channel how much I love stripes, and I'm kind of like obsessed with it. The next item is the elegant V-neck silk dress with pearl. This is definitely outside of my comfort zone because, as I mentioned, I love wearing trousers, but having a dress like this, which is so elegant, I think it's a key piece that everyone should have in their wardrobe. Now, this dress comes in 3 different shades. It comes in navy and a more kind of like a brownish tone, which is really beautiful, which is called light camel. The sizing is exactly the same as in the shirt that I've mentioned, so from extra small all the way to double extra large. Now, when it comes to the sizing on this one, I decided to go for a large because I've never owned a silk dress before, and I feel that if you are the same size as me, which is a size 8 US or a size 12 UK, go for a size medium because I think the dress is just a little bit loose here on the top. And I love the pearl detail. It really adds a little bit more to the dress. It will also make you want to wear more subtle jewelry like I have. I even have these pearl earrings right here. I think it complements the dress super nice. And last but not least from Lily Silk is the shirt that I'm actually wearing, which is called the short sleeve loose fitting t-shirt. It comes in 9 different shades, again sizes from extra small all the way to double extra large. This one is something that I actually wanted to add to my wardrobe for quite some time, especially in the navy shade, because I was missing something like this in my wardrobe. I love how the sleeves are a little bit kind of like dropping. The size that I got again is size large because, as I mentioned, I like things to be a little bit more oversized. You can totally wear this completely out. I think it looks really nice and more relaxed, and you can wear it tucked in as I'm wearing right now. I think it's a great look, especially with blue denim or with a dark pair of trousers. I think it would look really, really nice, or even a cream pair of trousers. There's endless ways that I would style this shirt. Lily Silk was kind enough to offer you guys a discount code, which I'll have right here. Make sure to check them out because I'm pretty sure if you've not worn silk till now, you will absolutely love their quality. And of course, if you want to check their website and see more pieces besides the ones that I mentioned today, I'll link their website below for you guys. So let's continue with this video on how to create the perfect capsule wardrobe for you. Okay, so moving right along to tip number 4, and that is finding the right style and cut for you. This is so important, because when you're not sure of your style, you will be making mistakes, and that is totally okay. We learn by making mistakes. We don't wear only what other people tell us to wear or suggest. So actually going to a store, trying things out, try 3 pairs of different style of trousers, a different style of jeans. It's so important that you feel comfortable in the cut that you're wearing. Really trying to find that style that resonates with you, that makes you feel good, empowered, that when you walk out of your house, you say, I look good today. That is the cut that works for you. So that is super important that you do. Tip number 5 is going to be accessories. Accessories, for me, less is more. If you add too much, it can really overwhelm your style and your overall look. So for me, adding an accessory would be a bag. Us ladies, we do like bags. My bags have a very minimal look to them. Another type of accessory would be a pair of shoes or a belt. Everything that I wear is very minimal and simple, and I feel like that is the best way to go. But some women like shoes that have maybe some embellishments, and that is totally fine. It's super important that you find accessories that again complement your outfits, that resonate with your own aesthetic and personal style. And you don't need to have a lot of them. You could have maybe 1 or 2 handbags, 2 pairs of sandals that you really love, or a pair of trainers that goes with so many different outfits that you have in your wardrobe. It's just accessorizing to create outfits that make you feel good and put together, and again, empowered. People can feel this empowerment. You're not rubbing things on other people's faces, but they can see, they look and say, she looks good, she looks put together. So I find that accessorizing can really elevate your style and your mood as well. And last but not least, and I don't feel like this one is truly a capsule thing, but I'm just going to throw it in there, is jewelry. Jewelry is super important for me. I feel a little bit naked when I don't have jewelry on. And again, my jewelry, super simple. Bracelets, I love bracelets, rings, watches, a necklace. I tend to wear at least 2 of this particular list that I've just given you, and I feel like it is somewhat part of my capsule wardrobe, because I tend to always pick a piece of jewelry or 2 to complement my outfit. I prefer gold jewelry. I feel like it complements my skin tone because I have yellow undertone, and it also complements the pieces that I wear. So that is it for today's video. I do hope that you all enjoyed it. Make sure to leave me a comment below letting me know if you resonate with the tips that I gave today, or if you have other tips that you want to share with us. I'm always willing to learn, so make sure to leave me a comment below. Make also sure to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already. I post 1 video a week related to fashion and lifestyle, so if you like the sound of that, make sure to come back next week for my next video. And don't forget the discount code that I have for you guys from Lily Silk, which will be right here. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.